hey, if you cannot charge your Beats Solo for headphones, then I can actually give you some tips. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to check the other cable. If you are using the original cable that actually comes with the box, try another one, for example from your phone or from any other device, plug it into the USB-C port and check if this indicator lights up. It will actually light up red if your device is charging. So charge it with the second cable, but if you still have this issue, I will recommend you to clean the USB-C port. So I've got dedicated video how I'm actually showing you how to do this, and you can use actually the very thin item that you can gently insert into the port. I will recommend you the plastic one, and simply try to make these moves for the both sides of the USB-C port, to the left side, to the right side, and try to remove any mess that is actually inside. But if it still doesn't work, you can simply take advantage of the warranty. But if you are out of the warranty, I will recommend you to go to the professional service. They'll probably fix the USB-C port by simply changing it for another one that is working properly. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.